So let's start with pigs, chickens or goats. Which one brings more money? Which one gives faster returns? And which one is the safest for beginners? Well, today we are breaking it down because each of these animals, pigs, chickens and goats, can make you profit. But your return on investment depends on how you manage them. Let's find out which one is best for you. Let us start with money. How much will it cost to begin? Chickens are the cheapest to start. A small wooden coop, a few feeders, drinkers, you're ready. With just $100 to $200, you can start a small broiler or layer farm. Pigs need stronger housing, concrete floors, walls, and good drainage. You'll spend more upfront, but it lasts for years. Goats fall in the middle. They don't need fancy housing, just dry shelter and space to graze. If you live in a rural area with open land, goats are the easiest to maintain. So if your budget is small, start with chickens or goats. If you can invest more, pigs give stronger long-term returns. So let us look at feed cost. Feed is the heart of your profit and your biggest expense. For chicken, they eat less, but you must buy high quality commercial feed for broilers to grow fast. You cannot cut corners here. Pigs, they eat more, but you can mix local feeds, cassava peels, maize bran, rice bran, cottonseed cake, soya. If you have access to cheap feed ingredients, pigs win on return on investment. Goats, this is where goats shine. They browse naturally, eating grass, scraps, and leaves. Feed costs are the lowest, especially if you have access to free grazing land. So in summary, chickens equal to high feed cost, quick turnover. Pigs equal to medium to high cost, but adjustable. Goats is equal to very low cost, natural feeders. Now let us look at growth and market time. Now let us talk about how fast your money returns. If you invest in broilers, they only take 6 to 8 weeks. That's fast money, but small profit but bad. Now for pigs, ready in 6 to 8 months when they hit 80 to 100 kilograms. Slower, but a single pig can bring 150 to 300 US dollar profit if well managed. So let us look at goats. Goats take 8 to 12 months to mature, depending on the breed you have. Not fast, but once grown, they're always in demand, especially during holidays and cultural events. Now let us look at the cash flow summary. Chickens equals to fastest turnover, pigs big profit per sale, goats steady medium-term profit. So let us look at market demand. No matter how good your animals are, if the market is weak, you lose. So let us look at chicken. Always in demand. Every household, restaurants, street vendors sell it daily. Who in Africa does not eat chicken? Pork, rapidly growing demand in cities, hotels, butcheries pay well. But in some areas, pork is limited by religion or culture. Goat meat, high value during ceremonies, weddings, and festivals. Prices are stable and the demand peaks during holidays like Christmas, Eid, and traditional events. So let us look at the market summary. Chickens equals to daily demand, pigs. So if you're doing pig farming, at least do it in an urban area so that you can get good prices. Goats, the demand is always during festive season and the market is always steady. So let us look at risks and diseases. Every animal comes with risk. Chickens, diseases like Newcastle, Gombolo spread fast, and that alone can destroy your flock overnight. So when it comes to pigs, diseases like African swine fever are deadly and can destroy your entire farm in weeks. For goats, resilient but watch out for Parasites, pneumonia, food rot in rainy season. Losses are low if you manage them well. So let us look at the summary. Chickens equals to fast losses, pigs heavy losses when diseases like African swine fever hit. Then goats lowest maintenance risk. Now let us get to what really matters: profit. Chickens quick returns, small margins per bird, consistent cash flow. Pigs slow returns, big profit per animal, ideal for long-term wealth. Goats medium speed, low input cost, high profits during peak seasons like the Christmas, Eid, and festivals. So, if you want fast cash, go for chickens. If you want big money, choose pigs. If you want low stress, stability, keep goats. But the smartest farmers, they raise all the three. Chicken for daily income, pigs for long-term wealth, goats for seasonal profit. So you can do the three. Here's what I've learned from years of watching small farmers succeed. 1. Start small. Learn before you scale. 2. Study your local market. Farm what sells. 3. Keep records. Every feed, every cost, every sale. 4. Reinvest profits. That's how small farms grow into empires. Whether you choose pigs, chickens, or goats, remember this: farming is not luck, it's a strategy. So thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.